In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove card on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to manage your payment methods confidently and securely. First, open your web browser and go to Alibaba.com. Make sure you're on the official site. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your account before you can access payment settings. Next, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This opens your account area where you can access all your key settings and purchases. From there, go to the orders section. Even though we're dealing with payment methods, Alibaba routes you through the orders area to reach the payment tools tied to your purchases. Inside orders, look for the payment option and click it. This takes you into the payment hub where Alibaba organizes your transaction details. Now, select payment management. This is the control center for your wallet, saved cards, and other payment methods. If you see any verification prompts here, follow them. Alibaba may ask for a quick security check to protect your account. To add a new card, click Add a new card. A secure form will appear asking for your card number, expiration date, security code, and the cardholder's name. Enter your billing address exactly as it appears with your bank. Mismatched addresses are a common reason cards fail to save. If there's an option to set the card as your default, choose it only if you want this card to be used automatically at checkout. When you're done, save or confirm. Some banks require an extra verification like a one-time code or a quick 3D secure check. Complete that if prompted. Once saved, your new card should appear in your list of payment methods. To remove a card, find the card you want to delete in the payment management list and click Remove or Delete. Confirm the prompt to finalize the change. If Alibaba won't let you remove it, it could be set as your default card or linked to a pending payment. In that case, switch your default to another card first or wait until any in-progress orders are completed before trying again. As a best practice, double-check that you still have at least one valid payment method on file if you plan to continue placing orders. That's all there is to it. Go to your profile, navigate through orders to payment, manage your cards and payment management, add when needed, and remove when you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy sourcing on Alibaba.